Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the position of an object when scrolling in Figma. This is perfect for keeping buttons, icons, or headers visible while the rest of your design scrolls. First, add a frame to your canvas, desktop, mobile, or tablet, whatever fits your project. Then draw a circle for your fixed element and position it where you want it to stay. Add a square or any content below it to test scrolling. Click the frame and go to the Prototype tab. Set scrolling behavior to vertical. Select the square, right-click, and choose Frame Selection to wrap it in its own mini-frame, then extend it downward so there's something to scroll. Now select the circle and enable Fixed Position when scrolling. Hit Preview and you'll see the square scrolls while the circle stays locked in place. And that's it. This trick is great for headers, toolbars, or buttons you always want visible. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more Figma tips.